let's reduce by subtraction. Hello children. Do you know that what is subtraction? Subtraction means reducing the small number from big number. Is it so simple? So let's see how to reduce by subtraction. 1. See this. Kshitija has 5 cups. She gave 3 cups to Achal. How many cups are left with Kshitija? Answer. It means, see, this is 5 cups Kshitija had. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now reduce 3 cups which she has given to Achal. Means subtract 1, 2 and 3. Then tell how many cups are left? This 1 and this 2. Correct. 2 cups are left. It means 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now, let's see another example. 2. Aryan had 7 chocolates. He gave 4 chocolates to Arohi. Then tell how many chocolates are left with Aryan? Answer. There are 7 chocolates with Aryan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. From this, we can reduce 4 chocolates given to Arohi. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Till now, how many chocolates are left? Right. 3 chocolates are left, which means 7 minus 4 equals 3. We have learned how to reduce by subtraction. Now, let's learn how to subtract things by adding pair of objects. 3. There are 8 lanterns and 4 lamps. How many more lanterns are there than the lamps? Answer. While subtract by pairing, both objects should be reduced or erased in the same way, and the things left are, that is the answer. Let's see how it works. This is 8 paper lanterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now look at these 4 lamps below it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now remove the objects from the pairs like 1 lamp, 1 lantern, second lamp, second lantern, third lamp, third lantern, and this last one means 4th lamp and 4th lantern we made less. Now let's calculate lanterns remaining by lamps 1, 2, 3 and 4. This means that lanterns was more than lamps by 4. So look at this. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Now let's see another example. We learned how much of an object is more than 2 types of objects. Let's erase the same thing. 4. There are 6 slates and 11 books. By how many is the number of slates less than the number of books? Answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now what remains left? The books remain. And how much that left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means that sleds were less than 5 in comparison to books. So look in this layout. 11 books minus 6 sleds equals 5 books, which means 11 minus 6 equals 5. Now you got it, isn't it? Very nice.